Virtual reality is a cutting-edge technology that immerses users in a computer-generated, three-dimensional environment. By wearing specialized headsets, users are transported to a simulated world where they can interact with the surroundings as if they were physically present. These headsets use motion tracking and stereoscopic displays to create a sense of depth and movement, while additional peripherals like controllers enable users to engage with the virtual environment. VR experiences can range from realistic simulations to fantastical, entirely imagined worlds. The technology is utilized in various fields, including gaming, education, healthcare, and training simulations. In the gaming realm, users can become part of the game, experiencing it from a first-person perspective. In education and training, VR offers immersive scenarios for hands-on learning, allowing users to practice skills in a risk-free environment. Overall, virtual reality has the power to revolutionize how we perceive and interact with digital content, offering a new dimension of engagement and experiential learning. Subscribe to be the first to see upcoming videos.